Hello and thanks for joining us for another video on Apex 360. I'm Joe from CORE, and today we're going to go over the easy procedure of installing your direct connect plates to use with Apex 360 HV packs. CORE's direct connect plates allow the light user to exchange their V-mount plates on their Aperture 600 series light to support Apex high voltage packs, as well as CORE's Helix series of packs. The beauty of these plates is they require minimal technical skill to exchange. So why do you want to exchange your current plates for CORE's high voltage plates? It's simple. Using high voltage will allow your system to run more efficiently, cooler, and gives you longer runtime. By utilizing these plates, you'll enjoy the added benefit of safe high voltage usage, plus they still allow you to use all your 14-volt V-mount packs. And by going with Apex 360 HV, you'll future-proof your battery investment for future products to hit the market. To exchange the plates on your Aperture 600 series light, unscrew the current V-mount plates, snip the wiring of the existing plates in the connect blocks, clip our direct plate onto the existing wiring, then screw on the Apex Direct Connect plate. No soldering skills or tools required. This modification is only required to leverage the high voltage efficiencies of the Apex 360 HV packs. The Apex 360 V packs will work without any modification to the lighting balance. For all the information on Apex or any of CORE's products, visit our website, CORE SWX.com, and check out our other videos on our YouTube channel, CORE SWX.